Fucking that girl next door. What'd you do that for? What'd you do that for? When you first left me, I didn't know what to say. I never been on my own that way. Just sat by myself all day.